Kara, is this loud enough?
Yeah.
Kara, is this loud enough?
Yeah.
Kara, is this loud enough?
Yeah.
Kara, is this loud enough? Is it starting?
That's my brother David.
What's up?
That's my brother David. That's my brother David. That's my brother David. David.
I'm car. I'm car. I'm car.
Alright, I think we need to stop this.
Oh my god! Ooh.
What do you plan to light on
light a
fire?
match.
David, don't. Because I have like 5 or 6 friends. Alright, I think we need to stop this. Me and David are going to become famous on YouTube one day.
Not today.
Not today though.
Yeah.
You want to stop now?
Do it.
Ready?
Ready?
Ready? Stop.
Where'd she go? Oh my gosh, where'd she go? Where'd she go?